Okay, guys. Today I will show you how to generate missing data. You know, missing data. There are three types of missing data. We have MCAR, MNAR, and MAR missing data. So today I will show you how to generate MNAR and MAR missing data. Actually, you can also use this code for MCAR, but I will show you how to do this by using R. So I will share the screen. Okay. Now we directly go into the code. So for this code, first you need to actually open the R source. So to get the R sources for this for this uh, for this code, to make sure that it works, you must use this. You must go to this link. Go to this link, or you can go to this website. Website. I'll show you. This website is actually come from this. The link come from this website. So if you go to almisstatistic.net Refi app, how to generate Almis email, you go to this website, and then you go to this. You scroll down. So you go to source URL here. So this is the source URL, the same thing that I have written here just now. The link that where you can get the source code. You can copy this one or go to this code. You see all of this code is actually you can copy. You can copy all of this, copy, and then open new script, and then paste, and then you save this one. You save this. Maybe I put it into just test. Let's okay test. Okay, I just put it here. I put amputation. Amputation. Okay, save amputation. Okay, I will close this one. So the first thing that you need to do is you must open source this amputation R that we just created just now. So to do that, you go to console, click console here, and then go to file, and then go to source R code here, up here on the left. Source R code, and then go to test just now. Test here that amputation R that I have prepared, that we copy actually from the website, and then open this one. And then okay, this if you go to the console, this code is already input into our R, and then you just install all this library: Amelia library, Mice, Miss Forest, Miss MDA, Mass, Soft Impute, dplayer, TidyR, ggplot2, DevTools, Mice. Mice is 2 times here, no need. Input TS, Simputation, VIM. And then we go to our working directory. So this is my working directory. So I'm working from in daily data, generate missing data. Okay, so generate missing data here. So I want to impute target station here. My data set is this target station Sarawak. So this target station Sarawak. So I'll close this. So this is our data set. We have here Monday, and then I have 19 station that have missing value. We have missing value. So I read from column 4 to 20 to 20, 20 22 4 to 22, which is 19 station just now. So run this. Okay. Now the thing is, when I want to calculate missing value, actually, when I want to generate missing value, actually I don't want to remove the NA value. Don't want to remove this one, but instead I want to increase the missing data up to 20%. So for example, if the first station here, let's see how many missing data is there. You can count on if range and then the criteria is NA loss. So there is 428 missing data, and then we can just calculate how many percentage is it times 7305. So there is about 5.8% missing data. 5.8% missing data. But I want to increase the missing data from 5.8% to 20%. To 20%. To 0.2. 0.2. This is actually you can times with 100 so that it will be in the form of percentage. So 5.8%, this one also. So you actually I want to increase the percentage up to 20%. 20%. So I will increase the missing data. The missing data, I will generate the remaining 14% into this data set without removing NA. So in the end, I will have 20% missing data. So you can use this equation, which is, for example, I want to impute the target station here is, for example, I want to this one, the same, the first one just now. I want to target station this station as NA, and then calculate the length of that station, which is actually the length will be 7035 just now, 7305, and then NA count the NA. So NA count will be 200 something just now, 428, and then I will get one value which is the remaining percentage that I want to impute in the missing data, so that it will become 20%. So from 5.8%, the original missing data from this one, from 5.9%, from 5.9% missing data, I want to increase it to 20%, the remaining one. So I put it 20 per 100 times length minus NA count over length. So let's calculate this one. So we already have that one net. Now we want to calculate produce missing data. So we want to produce missing data. You can use a function produce NA. So our X complete just now is this data set. And then mechanism will be MAR. You can do here, replace with MNAR or MCAR here, but I want to use MAR. So percentage missing, that is based on 8. How many percentage is the remaining here that we calculate just now. And then by pattern is F, false. So we can calculate this one. You see, it will calculate the remaining percentage. And then warning message is nothing there. And then you can extract the data that has been imputed here, data from MAR. From MAR here, because MAR you will have many results actually, many results. So you need what we want is only the data income. So data that has been imputed. So you can extract that result, and then you can see, for example, you can view the result for this data that has been imputed. You can see, view. Okay, view, not X view. View. Okay, now we have not imputed. We have generated additional missingness up to 20% for this station. You can ignore all other station. Actually, we only calculate for the first station here. So for this one, we can see the result MAR 20%. I think MAR 20%. This one just now. Let's see how many percentage has been calculated, has been increased. How many? You see, the result showed 17% missing data in this the one that we generated. But actually, we want to generate 20%. But it is because missing data is based on how many missing data that you have. When it calculate, it will go as close as possible to 20%. So as the closest it can go is 17.577. Actually, this is 18%, very close to 20%. So it will go to very close to that percentage that you aiming for by using this equation just now. So that is the closest that it want, because it's depend on the number of missing data that you want. Some station it will go to 19%, some of it exactly 20%, some many 20.1%, something like that. But it is as close as possible to 20% that you aim for. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, this is how you generate missing value. You can just change here. Either you want to use MAR, MNAR, or MCAR, so that you can generate artificial missing data. And in this case, we want to add additional artificial missing data on top of the original missing data. So this is a better way to create a missing data for your research, because we want to retain the information of the missing data, but at the same time, we want to impute the missing data, to generate artificial missingness, so that when we do imputation method, it will deal with the original missing data. That is the most important one. So that we know which method of imputation is better in dealing with the original missing data and also with the artificial missing data. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching.